不热。那也得弄这个。
Hello everybody. I'm Jesse from Haiqi group. I'm here to introduce our biomass. So we have different kind of biomass burner. We have 5 types of biomass burner. So the first one is wood pellet burner. Second, sawdust burner. Third, wood dust burner. Fourth, wood chip burner. And the fifth is so if you have any raw material, any waste, you can use our biomass burner to make the heat energy for what you need. Now we would like to introduce one type of our biomass burner. So let's begin with wood chip. For the wood chip burner, the raw material, actually you can use wood chip, coconut shell, nut shell, and other raw material. The size generally below 10 centimeters and moisture below 50%. So now we see the detailed introduction of our wood chip burner. First, see our Haiqi group overview. Our company established in 1995. We are a professional, high-technology, global environmental protection group company. We have the equipment manufacturing, equipment sales, agency cooperation, technology joint ventures, project consulting, project design, project operation, project hosting, and general contracting. So our main business is the solid waste sectors, agricultural and forest waste, domestic waste, industrial waste, domestic sludge treatment. So after more than 20 years hard work, Haiqi has developed into an international group company. So our group equipment factory with a construction area of 30,000 square meters and a research development center, equipment manufacturing workshop, experimental workshop, e-commerce space, and a business center. Since the company established in 1995, it has actively invested in the research and development and innovation of environmental protection equipment. So we also established the school enterprise technology joint base home and abroad. So through years of innovation and practice, Haiqi has obtained a number of international certifications such as CE, SO, BV, SGS certificate. Our company organization chart, we have the board of directors, chairman, general manager, and department. Our company development history. First, in 1995, the company is founded by Mr. Su Zhenjiang, our director, board of director. In 1998, we produced biomass, pyrolysis gasification, and incineration technology. 2000, our biomass gasification technology enters the market stage, and the domestic orders continues to flow. In 2005, we established multiple biomass gasification heating stations and biomass distributed gasification power stations in Beijing and northeast China. 2006, we have independent research and development of waste pyrolysis gasification system, sales in overseas market, and achieved a good reputation. 2008, the first solid waste sludge treatment system was established overseas with breakthrough success. 2012, Mr. Su Zhenjiang, the founder and the chief engineer, was specially appointed as a European chief technical expert by Finnish partners. 2014, the first phase of Malaysia industrial waste 200 tons per day was awarded. From design to production, the company completed it all independently. 2015, we won the bid for the first phase of domestic waste, 350 tons per day in Philippines, and the second phase, domestic waste, 4,000 tons per day. In 2017, the second phase, 350 tons per day, domestic waste treatment system in Malaysia was won. 2018, we won the bid for 100 tons per day cooperation plant in Manchester, UK. 500 tons per day waste treatment power plant. 2019, we won the bid for Mexico daily treatment of 350 tons and 800 tons waste power coal generation power plant. This is our company, Ecological Cham. have the Haiqi International UK company, Haiqi Environmental Protection Henan company, Haiqi Environmental Production Shanghai company, Haiqi International Trade Shanghai, Haiqi Investment Management Shanghai. Our main business technology: 1. Pyrolysis gasification technology. 2. Dry distillation pyrolysis technology. 3. Melting incineration technology. 4. High temperature catalytic low nitrogen combustion technology. Our main business model is equipment sales, agency cooperation, technology joint venture, project consulting, project design, project general contracting, project hosting, and project operation. Our company located in Shangqiu, and we have 4 modern standard workshops. Also, we achieved many patent certificates. 1 CE certificate and ISO certificate for all of our products. Now, what you see is our 4 types of biomass burner. So the first one, pellet burner. The pellet burner, we can use raw material, wood pellet, palm shell, and other pellet. 85%. The moisture below 50%. Our sawdust burner. Sawdust burner, its heating efficiency 19 to peanut shell sawdust, rice husk sawdust, and other dust. The size required below 3 millimeter, moisture below 20% or 50%. The other one is wood chip multi-function burner, because it can use many kind of raw material waste. Its heat efficiency more than 85%. The fuel type: wood chips, waste wood, building templates. This is wood waste from the construction, such as furniture, tables, chairs, after crushing, to make the raw material. Also, we can use coconut shell, palm shell, tree branch, also like in the foreign country, there are many wood waste in the forest, so we can use all of this. We just require the size below 10 centimeter, moisture below 15%. Also, if the moisture is higher than 20%, it is also okay. Another type we call the wood powder burner. Actually, this burner can use wood powder, sand powder, rice husk powder, also the coal powder. It efficiency is high, up to 95% to 98%. Its particle size generally 30 to 60 mesh, but for coal powder, the size required 150 mesh. Moisture also below 15%. Now you see is our wood chip burner. Wood chip burner, which can save 30% than biomass pellet burner. As you know, the pellet burner use wood waste to make the pellet. It can save the fuel cost other than the fuel gas, oil, and other fossil fuels. But our wood chip burner, it can save 30% than the biomass pellet burner. So this burner, you can save much cost if you use it. And our warranty is 1 year. Lifetime equipment maintenance. Haiqi is trustworthy. We have the 18 years of technology precipitation, more than 2,000 engineering experience, 15 days return on cost, investment, 24 hours after sale response, free system design, free technical guidance and training, lifetime equipment maintenance. So, if you use our burner, we will provide the after sale service. Now, what you see is our fuel type of this burner. We can use wood chip pellets, wood pellets, also the wood waste after crushing, bamboo chopsticks, building templates, Chinese medicine residue, like this. Also, we can use coconut shell, palm shell, even the olive peat shell. The size we required below 10 centimeter, moisture below 15%. Where we can use our biomass burner. You can use it in the steam boiler, thermal oil furnace, rotary jar, spring drying line, coal-fired boiler, natural gas boiler, aluminum melting furnace, incinerator, and forging heating equipment. wood chip burner principle, working principle. First, the fuel feedstock feed into our furnace by even feeding high temperature pyrolysis, suspension, and semi-gasification combustion. Then transfer the heat to the energy using equipment using the principle of radiant heat and convection heat. Three-stage air increasing to make the wood chip fully burn in the furnace. More than 85% of the heat is transferred to energy-using equipment. So now you can see the whole structure of our burner. This one is the hopper. Hopper with double valve feeding. And this one is circulation water. Because our furnace have the water jacket, double steel. So we use cooled water to cool our furnace, to protect the furnace, to make the life more long. And this part, we have different checking hole. This one is a view hole. We can see the flare combustion in the chamber. The four is the ignition hole. We can use the igniter to make the automatic ignition. Also, we can use the manual ignition through this hole. And five is the ash discharging hole. We can take the ash from this pot when the ash is much in the burner. This one, 6, is our burner mouth. So the flare come out from this pot and connect with the equipment such as boiler, dryer, and so on. This part is circulating water inlet. So the water is inlet from the bottom and flow out from the top. Then make a circulation. You just need a water tank nearby the burner. Now, a flow chart to show our burner working principle. The wood chip go to the hopper, then go inside our main burner. At the bottom of the burner, we have the fan box. So one fan is for the suspension, semi-gasification, and another for the burner mouth air increasing. Finally, the fire come out from the burner mouth to form the flame, go to the energy using equipment. And at the bottom of the burner, the ash will discharge from the ash clean hole. All of our burners tested in our factory and meet the standard of emission. This is our test report. So you can see the carbon monoxide technical requirement below 0.2%. Our test result is 0.19. The sulfur dioxide technical requirement below 200. Our test result 43.7. Nitrogen oxide, the requirement below 200. Our test result 133. The flue gas blackness requirement below Ringelmann first scale. Our result below first scale. The dust content technical requirement below 200, our result 186.8. The ash content, technical requirement below 3, our requirement 2.8. The noisy requirement is 85, our result 78. So all of the results meet the standard, even below the standard. boiler efficiency test report. We tested the boiler is a 10-ton boiler. Its design parameter 10-ton steam power. So we tested in two conditions. Condition 1, we can get almost 10-ton. Condition 2, also almost 10-ton. So average steam output 9.8 ton steam power. So the test output is 10 ton power. The thermal efficiency 86.67%. So we take this boiler as example. We make the test, meet the boiler is fully. This is the one test report after the boiler. So the emission is very low. The national standard here, you can see the smoke almost at 5 milligram under the national standard, less 50. The sulfur dioxide almost 17 under the standard below 200. The nitrogen oxide 140, almost 140. The national standard below 200. And the blackness, smoke blackness, all below Ringoma 1. So if you use our biomass burner, the emission can meet the national standard and the EU standard. Our burner has 6 features. One is environmental friendly, so the emission can meet the EU standard. Second, you can save more. We can take an example of the Cham boiler. So you can see this table. If you use natural gas, this is the consumption and the cost. Natural gas, diesel, heavy oil, coal, so the cost is very high. If you use a pellet burner, the cost is lower. And if you use a wood chip burner, the cost is much lower. Almost you can save at least 60% of the fuel cost. Our burner is very safe. So when you start the burner, you must start the ID fan first. Then start our burner. We have the automatic control to switch the fire from the small, middle, and big fire to connect with the equipment to make the automatic running. So if you have the boiler, you can use a pressure sensor connect with our control panel. And if you have the dryer, you can use the temperature sensor connect with our control panel. We can control your equipment automatically, such as temperature, steam pressure, and others. This part is our burner. We set smarter. We have the automatic feeding, automatic running for the energy, such as fire, light fire, small fire, middle fire, and start automatic. Just need one key start. So we can use manual, automatic free conversion, manual control and automatic control. This picture is Chinese, but our screen has the English. So we have the English Chinese screen. Also, if you require, we can make the other language such as French, German, and so on. Our burner has a long life because we use imported material, high aluminum refractory. Also, we have the anchor nail and the gap to make the furnace integrated. So we have many customers. They use our burner at least 5 to 7 years. Their feedback is very, very good. Our burner has a big capacity, so For single set burner, it can up to 12 million kilocalorie. We can match 20-ton boiler.这叫嘛？卡了一下，时间做不对。
你们随机发了一堆。
本来我这样想的，没有这个东西的时候就是说，一开始就是说没有这，我给你就刚刚讲了，就拿圆的，拿圆的拿个模型，就这样站着直接是讲，不用照这上面来这样讲。
但是就是焦点里它是材料上面一部分，下次咱可以材料一些图片上的东西。
可以。
需要用的话就拿，需要别的话就用这个。然后搜集出来哈，就是一个提问一个问答。反正等会这个活过后，咱俩就会就是规划一下，看咋弄更生动一点呗。
可以。
这次也只是试试。
是。
这如果我就是卡的。
也不能搁这上面播，这上面。
对。
你看到现在连动都不动。
对。然后讲的咱俩不能嗑，就愣了。
现在还不动。
然后下次讲下来，咱准备也是内容嘛。那个信息说还不行，
视频有，这里边都有。
那博士必须才看，看了都。
没事。